So let's look at the atoms and periodic table worksheet. The first question you have is, what is the difference between atomic number and mass number? You can do that. Formula of sucrose is C12H22 and O11. What elements is a molecule of sucrose made of? Give the number of atoms of each element that make up one molecule of sucrose. So you can do that. So I'm basically going to focus on this part. Let's do this one. So let's complete the table. So this table is for the neutral atoms, which means the number of protons and the electrons are equal. So proton is positive charge and the electron, they are negatively charged. So if they are equal, then the atom will be neutral. So let's complete the first one first. 37 chlorine. So this 37 means it is the mass number of chlorine. So what we can write over here is, it is the mass number of chlorine is 37 and the name is chlorine 30 with mass number 37. So that is how we will write. You know that the proton number is unique for atoms of each element. So if we know the proton number for chlorine, then we can complete the rest. So to find the proton number, we need periodic table. So let's go back over here to our module, and you can find the proton number in this periodic table. So for chlorine, the atomic number is 17, which means proton number is also 17. So let's write those down in our table. So this is the neutral atom. So 17 proton, so there will be 17 electron as well. So now we know that mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So we have mass number over here, given over here. So we have mass number given over here. We have a number of protons. So to find the number of neutrons, you need to simply subtract protons from number of protons from mass number. So which means 37 minus 17. And that is going to be 20. So the number of neutron is 20. So this is how you will complete this. Let's look at one more. Let's do this one. So it has atomic number 12. So atomic number 12 means number of proton will be 12. And number of proton 12 means, because it's a neutral atom, number of electrons will also be 12. Now, the mass number, to calculate the mass number is number of protons plus neutrons. So what do we have? The protons, 12 plus, and the neutrons, 14. So which is equal to 26. So the mass number is 26. So now we need to figure out the name of the element. So what do we need? We need a periodic table to figure it out. The atomic number is 12. Let's look at the periodic table. Atomic number 12 means it is magnesium. So now simply we are going to write here the symbol Mg, and over here with the mass number 26, so 26, so it's 26, and how do we write over here? So here it's magnesium 26. So that is how you will complete all of these. So moving down, you have a few questions over here. And these are the questions to calculate the atomic weight. Let's do one of these. Let's do the bromine over here. Bromine has two isotopes, 79 bromine and 81 bromine, whose masses are over here and abundances is given over here. Calculate the average atomic mass of bromine based on these experiments. So let's do that. So how do? We need to find the atomic weight for each of these separately, and then after that we will add. So the first one is, and the percent of abundance is 50.69. So 50.69, it's percent. So to convert to fraction, you need to divide by 100. So now times, so times 78.9183. So this is for bromine 79. Now let's do for bromine 81. So plus, now going to do for the bromine 81. So bromine percent abundance of bromine 81 is 49.31%. So it is 49.31%. So again, to convert percent to fraction, you need to divide that by 100. Let's do that. Okay, so now the next thing is we need to multiply that by the mass, which is 80.9163. Okay. So now so now this is for bromine 81. So now simply what you need to do is you need to put all of these in your calculator. And then the answer that you will get is 79.90 AMU. If you look at the periodic table, you can see right over here, the bromine, its atomic weight is 79.90. Okay, so this is how we're going to complete the rest.